Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Dubai. Dubai, one of the 7 Emirates within the United Arab Emirates, has an outstanding infrastructure, and the city of Dubai has become a global city and business hub. In 2011, the UAE economy grew by 4.2%. Free zones. Free zones are tax-free and provide purpose-built facilities for offices and related activities. Some free zones may specify that all work must be carried out within the free zone. Some free zones will only allow companies to trade outside of Dubai. Some free zones are get up to cater for particular types of businesses. Setting up an offshore Dubai LLC. An offshore Dubai LLC is a limited liability company set up in Dubai Free Zone. Company can trade as normal and can be wholly foreign out. There is no requirement for the LLC to have a physical presence in Dubai. Cannot trade within the UAE. Setting up a company in Dubai has the advantage of allowing a company to trade freely both within and outside of Dubai. A UAE national must hold a minimum of 51% of the company's shares in a resident Dubai company. Details of the directors and shareholders of a Dubai LLC are available for public viewing. Annual audited financial statements need to be submitted to the Dubai government. Dubai, being the place with a large number of business opportunities, requires proper verification and checking the set of guidelines is to be fulfilled by the inventor or not. Hence, the process of company registration Dubai is a very helpful scheme introduced by us that makes you eligible for starting a business in Dubai.